What's up guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. I'm ill, but I just can't wait making this review. So my voice will be a tad different today, but today we're gonna look at what this box contains. As you can see here, we got an Amiga inside, and let's just check it out. And put it down here. Now, how do I get this Amiga? Well, guys, through this hobby, I've got so many new friends. I am just so thankful. I love everything retro. As you all know, I started back in 2018 and oh my God, I gained so many friends through this hobby. And this Amiga, well, one of, how should I say it, about 6 months ago, I bought some Amiga stuff from a guy here in Denmark, and we met up again, we traded, we did some different deals, and now for the last couple of months, we became really good friends, and we text each other almost every day, and well, so yesterday, he buys all different stuff and he repairs it and all that. He's a genius. And yesterday we just talked about the vampire board. And he said, "Oh, you want a vampire? Why didn't you say so?" He just bought another one that was dead and he just repaired it and it works. And today he just delivered it to me in a box and he said, "Here you go, friend." So yeah, now I've got this vampire and it's got this HDMI cable. I just got this from him in the box. No PSU, no nothing, just like this. So we're gonna just plug it in and see what's it all about. If we just open it here gently. Oh, my voice, I'm so sorry guys, but I can't wait. And now you're asking, dude, this cable, there we go. Dude, why can't you wait? Just wait another week. Well, my reviews, as you all know, this channel is not I'm reading from Google, Wikipedia, facts and all that. No, we have great channels that tells all inside what happened, story and all that. But this YouTube channel is all about getting all this awesome hardware and just sharing my experience with you guys. So this is just how you would feel first time buying one of these. I have not read nothing about the vampire. I know nothing about it. I have my YouTube page, a YouTube channel, and I've got my Facebook page, Commodore 64 Amiga RETROCENGO, and you guys in there told me some awesome stuff about this. That's the only knowledge I have. I've never read nothing about it. But let's just look at this. This is just a standard Amiga 600. The Junebug Amiga 600 revision 2D. You can also have them where it says Amiga 300 early versions. So let's just, you know, I love hardware and I can't wait. And let's see what this is all about. Okay, we have this adapter here that adapts to a SD card that adapts to a micro SD card. Okay, we got some adaptations here. So this will probably, maybe it will slow down the reading speed, but I'm not sure guys. So yeah, we have this micro SD card, and my friend told me that the Vampire Teams, Apollo they're called, the Apollo Teams page, you can actually download an image that contains everything. It should be really easy. I don't know. He's done it and yeah, set everything up. I know nothing about this, but yeah, it's nice. So we have got this HDMI cable, which I love. So let's just check out this one. Is it connected? No. just sit on, yeah, oh, that just popped up. All right, so this card sits on the CPU, the 68,000 here, the Vampire, and it just sucks all the blood from the Amiga. Nice. Wait. Okay, as you can see, it's got something from mounting screws here. That means, and as you can see, this hole and this hole is just about these two hard disk mounting holes. That means maybe this one has some sort of better mounting kit connection thingy, so it doesn't just sit on here. Because I also have reviewed the, what's it called, the Furia for the Amiga 600, and it also just clicks on here. Now, first of all, let me tell you one thing. This solution with just clicking on here, I don't like it. I really don't like it, guys. I don't know. You know me, I just play around. I mean, sitting in here and move to another machine and all that. Every time you do that, these they will get bent, these will get bent. The same happens with the Amiga 600. I had an Amiga 600 that I tried, you know, keep a 2K. I tried some different stuff on the 68,000 CPU, and you know, after about couple of months, but you know, I play around with a lot of this. If you just put something in and it sits there, it's all right. You know, it's a virgin socket holder. You just take out the 68,000 and put something else in, then it works. But if you play around with me, I mean, it just got demolished. I mean, I had to replace the socket holder because the 68,000 won't fit. It would just jump up and got ruined. So something like this, I don't like it. I really don't. So they're on the way with a Amiga 1200 version that will just plug in just like here, you know, on the Amiga 1200 here on the side. So if I fell in love with this, I will just wait to the Amiga 1200 version because of this. So, all right, let's look at this one. What do we have here? Vampire 600 version 2. Power Act, that must be some LEDs. We have got micro SD card here. We have got HDMI here and JTAG here. And the CPU is here, and maybe we have some RAM down here. Oh, love this one. Looks great. And it's from Keeper 2K 2015. Well, then it's about time that I review one of these guys. So let's just plug this one back in. Oh, this Amiga has only Kickstart 2.05. Maybe this one takes over the Kickstart also, because it takes over the CPU. So maybe it takes over the whole system. I don't know. We have the 2 megabytes of chip RAM. So the chip RAM, it will be taken from this one and these two here. Also IO ports, disk drive and all that. So yeah, some of you guys hate this card. Some of you guys says it's just, it takes power from the Amiga and the Amiga is just useless. And some of you other guys, you love this card. And well, me, if you ask me, I love everything for the Amiga. Every company that supports Amiga, I love you guys. Just keep on doing it, and I hope we will keep on supporting you guys. And well, I have a decent amount of Amiga hardware. I'm a hardware guy. I love the original hardware. I also love the new stuff. You can see SD, micro SD card. I love that stuff. I love everything. I have a Retro Pi I used for a year ago with Amiga emulated, and it worked great. I have some friends that uses Mr. I think it's called Mr. FPGA solution. I haven't tried it, but they think it's great. I don't know, but me personally, I love to just play around with Amiga stuff. I love it. So this one sucking all the energy, all the blood of the Commodore. I don't care about that stuff. What I care about when I connect this, when I look at the screen, does it work? Is it nice to use? Is it compatible? Does it freeze? Does it play too fast? Does it give me a headache? Does it stop my gameplay like the 68,040, 68,060? Does it irritate me like that? Or is it compatible? If this is compatible and it works without giving me a headache, then I will buy this. I don't care about FPGA simulation and all that stuff. I won't go into that. I don't care. What I want is something that works. That's it, guys. So let's just click this one into place. Well, I wish that it had these mounting things, but I got it like this. And I'm so thankful he just delivered it to me, guys. I mean, we talked about it yesterday, and today it just slides in, man. It's a tight fit. It doesn't hit nothing down here, but I have to find the solution for it, guys, because this is not the way I want it to be. I like that it's got a little cooler here. That means it gets hot. How many megahertz it runs and all the specs. I don't care about that. Guys, you can just Google it. It will take you 2 seconds. What I want to do is just plug this one in. I will make it dark in here, plug it into a monitor, and so we can look at the monitor only and focus on that. So let me just go ahead and do that. I just turned on the Amiga 600. The power button is on. The cap lock is on. Now it just went off. Oh yes, Vampire accelerators, gold 2.11 Apollo Core AMMX. I don't know if it's the newest version, but yeah, let's just check this one out. Oh, it's high resolution. Oh, it looks great. Thank you, friend. This is nice. Apollo 68080, powered by 68080 MMX Apollo team, bringing the 68K back. Nice. Oh, about. Oh, you have to left click. Workbench 45.5. All right, we have a lot of online. I don't go online with an Amiga. Fast ID map ROM. Turtle mode. That means that it can disable the Vampire. Different startup modes. Now this is just a card that you can download. This is not something special, guys. Picasso, we got graphic cards maybe. Different screen modes, themes. It's just nice. Alright, we can reboot. Okay, we have something called Coffin R54, 2 megabyte chip RAM, 114 megabyte fast RAM, graphic RAM 2.8 megabyte. That's just beautiful. We have RAM disk program system. System is nothing I wanna. Let me see. I love this high resolution stuff, guys. Oh, it's nice. 68060. Okay. What does it have on the system here? Nice. It doesn't flicker. It looks, I mean, the real deal, it looks perfect. I'm telling you guys. Whoa. Hexen. What? Duke Nukem 3D. Does this work? Music? No sound? What? no sound from the HDMI. Well, Apollo team, you have to include that if you want me to buy one of these cards. It needs sound out of the HDMI. Oh, it runs nice. How do I escape? New game. Let's rock. I love this game on the PC. All right, so let's. It runs well. It's not a high resolution, 800 by 600, but still it runs fine. All right, without music, Duke Nukem is just not. But it runs fluid, guys. That's nice. So, all right. Damn. We got A-Doom, we get Quake 2, Cannonball, Chaos Guns, Genesis, this. Heretic, Hexen 2, Quake. Come on, guys. SimCity 2000, WSD Load, Wolfenstein, WSD Load games. Oh, yes. Yes. Nice. We got so many games here. So, that's the most important part. That's WSD Load games. All right, guys. So, we have so much stuff on this card. So, let's check out these icons. First icon is. Oh, jeez. Eyebrows. 2001. I mean, who uses an Amiga today for internet? I mean, I use my Amiga for gaming, not. What's this? AMRRC. I don't know what that is. Don't care. F2P server with an Amiga. I mean, who does something like that today? Oh. Dear Opus in high resolution. This is beautiful. I like this. Oh, I really like this. Nice. So that one was Dear Opus, and what's this? Oh, that was Dear Opus, sorry. And this one looks like a PlayStation controller. Okay, this is what it's all about. Gaming on the Amiga. First of all, look at the speed of this thing. You just click on the icon and iGame is just on. I mean, the friend that I got this vampire from, I actually asked him about his opinion about the vampire, and he said, look at the vampire's price and look at how much a 68060 will cost to upgrade your Amiga with. I mean, the vampire is the most powerful upgrade you can have for the lower amount of money. Actually, I don't even know how much a vampire costs, guys. I don't know. 200 euro or something like that, 300 maybe, I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, so 6 months ago, one of you guys on one of my YouTube videos, you wrote that the Apollo team was working on AGA support for the vampire. I don't know if it's included, but I'm just gonna, how do I run? Do I just double click? I wanna try to, what's this? Roadshow Amiga. Thank you for using Roadshow. Running Alien Breed 2 AGA. Yeah. Does it? Oh, he said something about switching to the video output. Maybe it's that. No. Okay, that means one thing. AJ support is not supported. Yeah, let's just reset the Amiga 600. So this is number 2. The first one, I want sound out of the HDMI. That's a must, guys. We need that crystal clear digital HDMI sound. That's just, yeah, that's the first thing. The other part is the vampire has to be compatible with AGA games. anything AGA. It has to do what an Amiga from 1993 did. So that's number 2. So I'm just holding up for my order. Also, I want to buy it for the Amiga 1200. It's not out yet, but it's just something. It's a must for me. If it came out tomorrow, I will still wait to buy one of these. Yeah. So we have some games down here, and I will just wait for them. I know it's the most important part, but let's just go ahead and test what else we have in here. The next icon is something called, it's the Amiga shell here, all right, and the next one is called Edit Pad, all right, and the next one is called, oh, that's nice. We have to cut the video. I have to connect the Amiga's own what's it called, sound output to some speakers, because we have to test this also. Yeah, we have to test this. So I will just cut the video here, guys. Let's just try something non-AGA, you know, Agony. There we go. This is not AGA. Bam. Non-AGA. Played. Running Agony. No, you're not. Should we wait? You're not running nothing, man. What's this? Quit this. Shit, it doesn't run. Okay, let me just connect the sound to an amplifier and let's get back on this. Alright guys, sorry about the delay. I just connect the Amiga to my amplifier and what's it here? Amp it's called. So let's try to, wow, DHI MP3. DHI here, MP3, no, music, and mod files and MP3. Oh, we have some great stuff. Let's try MP3, Daft Punk. Great, it jumps fine, and I mean the MP3, it works, so it's powerful enough. It doesn't just screw around. Let's just try one more. Let's try Cypress Hill.
Are you trying to get crazy with this thing?
Don't you think I'm local? Yeah, that's it. All right, so it has got MP3 playback. Great. Let's check out the next one here. Riva Guio play. Oh, video. Pick a video. Ah, what's this? I don't know. This one. Play. It loads. Oh, great.
Let's take a journey.
Okay, I have to remove the sound, guys, because you know how YouTube is. But damn, video playback. That's nice. It. I mean, it's hard to believe this is just an Amiga 600. Well, it's not, but you know what I mean. Wow. I mean, it's fun. Oh, yeah, I love Rammstein. I have to remove the music, but the sound. But wow, this is great. Great playback. I mean, on a little Amiga 600. Check this one out. Oh, that's nice. I mean, on an Amiga 600. Come on, guys. For you haters, the vampire haters. I mean, that's great. So yeah. So we have great MP3 audio, playback and video. That's nice. And this one contains so much. I mean, look at all this. That's nice. All right, that works. We have an S down here, and it's a gray screen. ScummVM. Oh, full throttle. Look. Wait. Start full throttle. I played this game on my PC back in 1995. Oh, it was that. Oh.
I smell asphalt. I think of marine.
Oh, come on, guys. Let me just watch this. Just give me a minute, guys.
The thick smell of asphalt.
The
The first
music.
thing I saw when I woke up. My bike. Free. No strings attached. I should have known then that things are never that simple. Yeah. When I think of marine, I think of two things. Asphalt and trouble.
Rip Burger, you're dumber than dirt. Mr. Corley, if you'd only listen to my plan,
Oh.
my vision. I know your plan, Rip Burger.
Space. Game pause. No.
You're waiting for me to
Let's
die
quit
so you
the,
can take over
escape.
my company.
Yeah. Oh, I used to love this game, man.
Hey, Ben.
Escape. All right. We just have to see this one little clip where he said, "Do you know what looks good on the bar?" How was it? Oh, wait. There we go. All right. Let's go to the bar. Do you know what would look good on the face? What? The bar. Yeah, it's inside here, guys. Listen to this clip. Go inside. Go inside. What? Oh, yes. Oh, okay. It's only 25 years ago, guys. So you can lick the door, you can kick the door, you can punch. He says something. Let's look at the door. Yeah. All right. Let's kick the door then. Oh yes. There he is. Now he's telling, I need my keys for my bike. You can have your bike. I don't have the keys. Wait. Go away. Alright, now I'm gonna ask him, you know what would look nice on the bar? What? Your nose. Oh, come on. Why? Your nose. Why is there no speech? Why am I missing? Oh, F5, you can enter text and all that. Is it here? Speech. Subtitles, there we go. No, we need both. But yeah, I don't wanted to show you that, guys, but how do I quit this F5 again and quit? I mean, we have this ScummVM and it works. I mean, that's nice. I mean, again, just on an Amiga 600, I like that. And look at all the games. And we got Larry, we got Monkey Island, Simon the Sorcerer. Beneath the Steel Sky, I played that on my PC also. That was nice. Okay, so we have ScummVM. Nice. We have the next one here. It's called Oh. It's a... Okay. I have no knowledge about the Mac OS. This is OS 8.1. And yeah, now the Amiga is emulating Mac. And yeah, we have it shut down. Yeah. Oh, we have some. We have Duke Nukem. We have Doom. We have Settlers Sim Forum. Wait. We have Warcraft. Oh, you left click here on the Mac. Where are all the icons that was down here? They're gone. System folder. Yeah, I just wanna. How do I go? This here. Wolfenstein Warcraft. Warcraft. Is it just like that? Yeah. Don't ask me again. Come on, guys. Come on. Work.
In the age of chaos, two factions battled for dominance. The kingdom of Azeroth was a prosperous one. The humans who dwelled there turned the land into a paradise.
Come on. Let me get 600. Zopdog, I got axe for you.
Black Cat has assigned you to an outpost in the swamp of sorrow.
I mean, the Amiga 600 and the CDTV is my least favorite Amigas, but look at this, guys. This is nice. Whoa. Oh, it's right click. Oh, you have to press here? Was it like that? Was it like that? I don't remember. On the Command and Conquer, you could just left click and left click. The thing is, it works, guys. I mean, we have the emulation and it works. That's beautiful. Quit this. So how do we get back to the Amiga? We have a lot of games. We have emulated the Mac here. Can we just quit? About this computer? Can we quit this computer? Shut down, maybe? Come on, guys. That's awesome. So we have something that looks like clockwork, and that gives a black screen and no signal. Oh, wait. Maybe that's all about... my friend told me that these 15 kilohertz you have to insert, the Amiga's native video output. So, third thing, I want everything to run with HDMI. Everything. Also 15 kilohertz, AGA, sound, everything. And fourth thing, I don't want to use compact flash card ID adapter and all that. The Vampire has got a built-in micro SD adapter. I want that to be the bootable slot also. So make that happen, guys, and you will have my fully support. So we have Sysinfo 4.0. And let's just test the speed. My 68060 has 37,000 drive stones. And this one has got 100,000. It's 188 times faster than Amiga 600. Alright, 104 MIPS. It's got 51 M-flops. That means it has got an FPU built in also. Yeah, over here it says it has got the FPU. It's just, it has to be AGA, guys. Oh, this is. Does it recognize? No. This is great. I like this. 126 fast, 512 slow, and 2 megs of chip RAM. That's beautiful. Oh, we have a lot of drives, guys. So let's just try the reading speed. Now the drive is it's just the Amiga's native reading speed. 3. That's actually high for an Amiga 600. So it uses the CPU power. What's this? IDFO. I can't use that. I think this is the built-in micro SD card. Beautiful, fast system. That's nice. I don't like this. I don't like this. So we have something over here. Snoop does. That's maybe does emulating stuff. I don't know. And the last thing is disk image GUI. All right. Nice stuff down there. And here we have 2D. D-Paint AGA. Yeah. 3D. Lightwave, Cinewave. Benchmarks. We just tried the sys info. We have sys speed. We will just watch the speed, guys. We've got demos, gods, boom, Avin. Let's try elude. Oh, yeah, a lot of demos. Also, WHT load demos. Yeah. I think it's just like the other cards, you know. So we have a lot of demos here. Emulators. NES, MSX, PlayStation, Geo. Commodore 64 emulators? Come on, guys. Commodore 64 discs. Okay, I have to make another video with all these awesome R-type on the Commodore 64. This is nice. Oh, we got MAME. That's great. Oh yes, Super Nintendo. Great emulators, guys. Games. Yeah, we got that one. This is nice. We got Doom and all that. Internet music. Daily Tracker. All these Hippo Player, MP3. My files, pictures. Oh, it's beautiful. The speed, the colors, the details. It's wow, man. On a simple Amiga 600, look at this. Wow. Escape. Beautiful. Really like it. Productivity, Final Writer, programming, Amos. Yeah, ScummVM, temp, tools. Oh man, Amiga load. Cycles editor to edit your stop sequence. Dear Opus, file master. I mean, it's got everything you need, man. Riva, that was for looking for videos. Sys Inspector. Alright. Which Amiga? Yeah, okay. Your computer is an Amiga 600. Yeah, 6806 T78 megahertz. Revision 0. We got the FPU, ECS Denise, Picasso graphic card. So it emulates the Picasso also, or simulates. You can call it whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean, okay? Kickstart and Workbench 3.9. It's just beautiful. So let's check games. Let's check games here. WSD load. Let's take Turkey. Oh. Let's clean up this mess, right? Clean up by name, yes. And go down to Turkey, TU. Where is it? TR. Turkey, there we go, Turkey 3. Oh, looks great. So let's try this one. Because the most important part is gaming, guys. I mean, we have some. Oh! Dang. Oh, yes! Turkey on the vampire. Quits, and I have to switch to HDMI, and I hate that shit. Come on. Okay, wait. On my 68040, 68060, when I want to play Shadow of the Beast 1, it runs so fast, it's unplayable, it's junk. So with this emulation, let's see what it does with Shadow of the Beast. Okay, we have a lot of games, guys. I see Silkworm, Shadow, there we go, Shadow Sorcerer, Shadow of the Beast HSC, Shadow of the Beast, this one. Yeah, okay, 68060 and 40, it runs too fast. Let's try it here with the Vampire. Compatibility, guys. It's all about the compatibility. It sounds absolutely beautiful. Not too fast, no nothing. Beautiful. Alright guys, let's just sum up this really long video review of the Apollo. I must say, I am so positive. I have so positive thoughts about this car. Now this is the first time ever, no knowledge about it, but this is actually how you will experience this when you buy this. And I know my viewers on YouTube, you say, you know, my channel is just sharing the first time experience with all this great stuff, and just learning by doing, learning by trying, not learning by reading on Google, you know. And wow, I mean, yes, it's missing some stuff. I mean, this part with what's it called, with the you know, not having everything out from the HDMI, it kills it for me. I'm not gonna have two different monitors set up on my Amiga. I'm not gonna switch in between 15 kilohertz and the other high graphical stuff. I don't like that. Also the sound. So the first thing they should concentrate about is actually having everything out from the HDMI. They can do it, I'm sure. If they can do this, they can also do that. So that's the first part. I want it to boot from the micro SD built-in. Great, that would be great. I want AGA solution. It's just a must for me, because I love watching AGA demos, and I'm not gonna, yeah, it has to be included. Other than that, I mean, this felt like using a really powerful Amiga 4000 without all that storage that all the storage takes on my table, without all the fans that boom in the background. It just compact, small, and it works. Needs some updates. So if I should recommend this, I would say, of course, as I said in the beginning of the video, let's support everybody, every company, everyone that makes anything for the Amigas. Yes, but it's just missing those key elements, guys. It has to have that last oomph, you know what I mean? It's not just there yet, but wow! From now on, I don't care about the vampire sucking the blood from the Amiga. Nothing like that. No hate, no nothing. It's just the vampire users, more power to you. The original purists, more power to you guys also, guys, because I have all different stuff, and I also love this. I must say, just yeah, it's nice, and I'm actually looking forward to the Amiga 1200 version 4, and they should come a standalone version. That's just, standalone version is probably not something for me, because standalone, just this little card on the table with this normal PC keyboard and PC mouse and all that, and I don't know, it feels like just a Raspberry Pi, the standalone edition. So I don't think I would. Well, unless another friend just comes by and said, "Here you go, sir." I don't think I will buy something like that. But this card for the Amiga 1200, hell yeah, guys! And I'm gonna check out how much this one costs. But I'm sure it's cheaper than an old 68060 CPU. So until next time, check out some of my other videos. I'm ill, so I'm gonna Netflix and chill, guys. Have a great one. Bye.